Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm doing fantastic, except for those pimples on my, Anyway, I'm doing fantastic. Today I would like to talk to you about a wig that I ordered online. I'm going to give you a review of the wig. I have not been paid. I got the wig from IlikeHair. We're going to unbox it together. Decided to go with a short wig this time. It came in with an elastic band. And it also comes with this, which I'm not really sure what that is. I think it's, we put it on around the heads so that the wig doesn't slide off. The wig also came with an adjustable band on the inside. The wig came pre-bleached and pre-plucked. It hasn't been cut, so I'm going to do the customization myself, make it as natural as possible. But this is what we have so far. They did a really good job at bleaching the nuts, so I'm loving it.
Coming out of the box, this is how the wig looks like. It looks a little big, so something has to be done about it.
I had to make the wig smaller because I have a very small head. I went ahead and sew the wig at the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this excess so that the wig can lay flat. The wig is now nice and snatched, and look how the back lays nicely on my neck. This is what I wanted. Comments about the texture of the hair is really nice and soft. I'm going to have to make another review in maybe a week or two to let you know how the hair ended up being after wearing for a while. But yeah, this wig is ready to be customized some more. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try and show you what I do with the plucking. I'm gonna try my best and show you how to do the plucking. But this is basically what it looks like. So I'm going to try and make it as natural as possible. And stay tuned.
Off camera, I had already done some plucking on the left side of the wig. So now I'm going to show you how to do plucking on the right side. I started by parting the hair that I want left out. And you spray some water and comb the hair back for better viewing, and you start the plucking. So you do pluck, 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 you move to the next area, then pluck, 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 and you move to the next area. You just need to make sure that you move fast so that you would not have any bald spots. So what I just did right there was part the hair again and move on to the back. So I'll do the same process till I'm satisfied with how the hair looks. Notice how I started plucking the hair vertically at first. Now I'm starting horizontally to remove as much hair as I want and to stay in control of how much hair I pluck. Now I'm going to train the hair to lay the way I want it to with a gel stick and my hot comb. And I'm going to pluck the top of the hair, kind of like where the part is, to make the part look as natural as possible to my real hair. And I'm going to do the same process around the hairline to give that exact natural look to my wig. After I'm satisfied with the way my plucking looks, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head to kind of shape the hair the way I want it to look.
Because I can't see the back of my head, I move the wig back on the mannequin head for better shaping and better styling. And here we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a blade to cut off the lace. And now we have a glueless wig that still needs some styling, but so far I love it. I'm going to use my foundation to make the lace match my skin tone. And this is the final look. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching.